Rain on the window taps a slow ballet. Umbrellas in the street drift away. Puddles form rivers that guide my way. Warmth from my coffee in a cozy cafe. Books and whispers fill the air. Soft jazz rides the steam without a care. Raindrops on rooftops like rhythmic snare. In this haven of peace I pull up a chair. Raindrops fall, it's a mellow sound. Echoes of serenity all around. In this cozy corner, days profound. A rainy lullaby where dreams are found. City lights blur in a watery haze. Cars pass by in a splashy daze. Inside this refuge, time always stays. Wrapped in a blanket of rainy waves. The scent of fresh brew blends with rain. Patters of droplets ease any pain. Stories and gazes softly wane. In this cocoon, the world feels sane. Raindrops fall, it's a mellow sound.